Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is Tanna, and welcome to Tanna So Lit. Man, people, just yesterday, well, over 24 hours ago, man, I was delivered this glorious box with the Z Flip 3 on deck. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I did a live unboxing and all that, and it was quite lit. Man, the link should be floating around above my head somewhere. If you want to check it out, go ahead. But man, understand, there's adult language on there, so if that offends you, or if you're not old enough to check that out, then don't rock with it. Just rock with the clean content like this one here.
Yeah, boy!
So peeps, I went ahead and put my main sim up in this boy and everything, and rock with it, you know what I'm saying? Set it on up. It took a while and everything, because peeps, I got a whole lot of stuff that I use on my phones, you know what I'm saying? Especially for my daily driver phones, yes indeed. But people, man, the setup was quite quick. And man, I love the Samsung tricks like this one right here with my moms, RIP moms, much love. You know what I'm saying? It's like it made this phone right here a whole lot more fun to mess with, people. Because yeah, it might just be a flip and all that, but it's something different.
He ain't lying.
And peeps, when I'm out in the street and everything, and when I answer my phone from a flip, believe it or not, I didn't expect it, but quite a few people ask me, yo, what type of flip phone is that? That's different. I love that screen. And man, when I told them it was a Samsung and what model and all that, a lot of them was saying, man, I'm going to get that boy right there.
No cap on that one.
So man, when it comes to the drip and the lit factor, man, this phone right here is very high. No question about it. And by the way, if you're feeling this video, man, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and everything, man, and rock with your boy. I mean, it's free and it does wonders for the channel. And man, I appreciate the support. Believe that. And peeps, as far as the performance on the phone so far, absolutely smooth. I know it's day one. I don't expect no glitches or anything, but if there were to happen, I would let you know if something mess up, because that's how I do. You know what I'm saying? I let the tech do the talking. But the thing that I'm complaining about the most, I done heard it from a couple of my peers and all that, is the battery life in here. And people, battery life is hella important to me. You know what I'm saying? And I had to charge this boy up twice in 24 hours. That's too much for me for right now. I guess I'm spoiled. You know what I'm saying? I guess I'm spoiled. I've been rocking around this beast and all that since last October. And peeps, I only got to charge that once every 1.5 days. But I'm not really tripping like that with this phone right here. Let me flip it back open. I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. You know what I'm saying? Mom's with me. I'm not tripping about that. You want to know why? Because of the cool points. You know what I'm saying? The styling of this phone, super cool. The flip, super cool. The bendable screen, super cool. OLED panel, crispy, super cool. So man, all these cool features on this phone kind of negates or makes up for the lack in the battery performance for me. And people, I'm a battery hog. I'm just letting y'all know. Some people say power user. Now, I'm not trying to crack into the Pentagon or nothing, people. I'm just playing video games a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Watching some movies, watching some YouTube and stuff like that. A lot on my phone. That's about it, you know what I'm saying?
Okay!
So, I would do some damage to a battery, though. Believe that. So, when it comes to the battery life on this, nah. But I'm not tripping, though, because of all the cool shit you can do on this phone. No question about it. Like this little screen right here, I got me and the missus right there. You can customize that. That's also cool. So, man, all these damn cool points to this phone is so lit. And then on top of that, the deals that you get for this phone are ridiculous. I mean, if you got your a Samsung Galaxy S9 or older device like that, older Samsung, man, look here. Go ahead and check this out. I'm just saying, because you have a newer device and a better battery.
What?
Because those batteries back then were crappy. Y'all know, man, oh man, I done made several videos on my S9 Plus's battery and then a couple of other Samsung batteries that I rock with over time. But, man, this one right here, this is the flip to get. It's not too cheap, but yet not too expensive. Hella cool looking. Features galore. You know what I'm saying? Decent, good cameras so far. But I'm going to go ahead and thoroughly review the cameras on this boy to make sure if they top notch or if they whack. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to let you guys definitely know The honest to God truth. But so far, just regular pictures and all that, yeah, pretty good camera system. And peeps, no cap, I was pretty much out in the street with my Z Flip.
Bucket naked.
No protection or nothing. But I went on Amazon and copped this case right here. Yes, indeed. As you can see, I got it for $17.99. Man, I will leave the link below in the description. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw, like what you heard, please give your guy and the Samsung Z Flip, you dig, a thumbs up, because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole dripping madness of Dan Tanna and Team Lit, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody. Get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.